Hello everybody out there in YouTube land. Thought we'd do an early morning update video here on letting the chickens out. Here we go. Luckily none of them wanted to come and attack me. This chickie wanted to come say hi. Hey Will Chickie. They're good chickens. So I always think it's funny. I heard a saying once. Be careful what you say to people in the morning. You never know if they've been chased by their chickens. They might be sensitive. This chickie just wants to be my friend. So, it's a beautiful morning on the homestead. Spring is coming. Summer's coming anyway. So, time for the homestead. Summer chores. Alright, that's a little update on the chickies. As you can see, our flock has changed. Right now we have 3 roosters. We're going to have to get rid of 2 of them because that's too many and that's too hard on our girls. These ones we raised last fall. And these roosters are so far pretty friendly, so that's cool. Sucks when you have mean roosters. Anyway, if you guys have any questions about chickens, leave them in the comments below. Hit that like button and subscribe. It helps us out. I'll see you guys later.